In this video, I'm going to show you the Maclaurin series. So the Maclaurin series expansion of the function of fx can be derived as fx is equals to f0 plus f prime 0 over 1 factorial times x plus f double prime 0 over 2 factorial times x squared plus f triple prime 0 over 3 factorial times x cubed plus the fourth derivative of f with respect substitute 0 over 4 factorial times x power of 4. So you can see that this is actually quite the same as the Taylor expansion in the power of x, where our a is 0. So x squared, x cubed, and x power 4. Start with f0. So if you look at this example, obtain the first four terms against. The keyword here is the first four terms of the Maclaurin series. So you can see Maclaurin series, our a is 0. Of the function of fx, this is our function. Then the second part of this question is we have to estimate this value up until 4 decimal places. So here is sine 34. Don't forget pi over 6 actually we have the 30 degree. Next, we just have to add another 4 degree here. So let's say we look at the first part of this question. As usual, fx is the function. Substitute the value of 0. For Maclaurin series, we substitute with 0. F prime x, differentiate, substitute 0. Second derivative, differentiate again, substitute the 0. And the third derivative, substitute 0. Up until 4 terms. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start with constant and then x squared, x cubed. So this is only the substitution of the value and then we simplify. Just I mentioned before, sine 34 is sine 4 degree plus pi over 6. Why 4 degree? Because we already have the 30 degree here. We only need another 4 degree. So where 4 degree is pi over 45. How to get pi over 45? From the degree, 4 degree. If you need to change to gradient, times pi, divide by 180. By using your calculator, 4 over 180. 4 over 180 is 1 over 45, which is pi over 45 degree. That's why we have pi over 45 here. So here is our pi over 45. This is how we change. And then you just substitute the x with pi over 45. You can see here. Substitute this x with pi over 45. So you can see we substitute and then we will get the value. Let's look at the exercise as our example. Find the first four terms against the first four terms of the Maclaurin series of exponent power of negative 2x. So here is our fx. Fx is equals to exponent power of negative 2x. Like I mentioned before, for Maclaurin series, our a is 0. We will substitute the value of a with 0. So a exponent negative 2 times 0. So here is exponent negative 2 times 0 is 0. Here is 1. And then f prime x. We differentiate. First differentiate the exponent. I will get back the exponent power of negative 2x. Don't forget to differentiate first we differentiate the exponent. Second, we differentiate the negative 2x. So when I differentiate the negative 2x, I should get negative 2. So here I get negative 2 exponent power of negative 2x. Substitute the value with 0. Negative 2 exponent, negative 2 times 0. So here is negative 2 exponent power of 0. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Differentiate again. The second derivative. Differentiate negative 2 exponent. first. Second, differentiate the index. So we have the negative 2 exponent negative 2x. Against differentiate negative 2x, I should get negative 2. If I try to simplify, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 exponent power of negative 2x. Again, substitute the value of 0. 4 exponent negative 2 times 0. 4 exponent 0 is 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. The last derivative, f triple prime x. First, we differentiate 4 exponent, then we differentiate negative 2x. So here we get 4 exponent power of negative 2x. Differentiate negative 2x as you get negative 2. So here is negative 8 exponent power of negative 2x. Finally, f triple prime 0. So here we have negative 8 exponent negative 2 times 0. Negative 8 exponent power of 0. Negative 8 times 1, which is negative 8. Next, we will find the Maclaurin series. In the Maclaurin series, fx is equals to f0 plus f prime 0 over 1 factorial times x plus f double prime 0 over 2 factorial times x squared plus f triple prime 0 over 3 factorial times x cubed. So we just have to substitute the value f0, which is 1, plus f prime 0 is negative 2. So negative 2 over 1 factorial is 1. Here is x plus f double prime 0. F double prime 0 is 4. 4 over 2 factorial is 2. Here is x squared plus f triple prime 0 is negative 8. Negative 8, 3 factorial is 6 times x cubed. If I try to simplify, I should get 1 positive negative negative 2x plus here is 2x squared. Here positive negative negative 2. So here is 4 over 3x cubed. So here is our Maclaurin series for the function of exponent power of negative 2x.